Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot? Days of old lang syne, for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet, for old lang syne. And surely you will bring your cup, surely I'll bring mine. We'll take a cup of kindness yet, for old lang syne, for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet, for old lang syne, for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet, for old lang syne. Happy New Year.